Don't throw your broken cell phone away before watching this video. Cell phone technicians don't want you to discover this secret, but honestly, I need to show you. If your cell phone battery discharges too quickly or takes too long to charge, it's a big problem in everyday life. Often we're out and about, and the phone simply runs out of battery. It's horrible, right? But in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve this problem without spending a single penny. Many people change their cell phones because of weak batteries or spend a lot of money on technicians to change them, but you don't have to. I'm going to show you how to solve it with a simple code hidden in your cell phone. This code can fix battery problems caused by the battery memory effect. First, disconnect your phone from the charger. Then go to your phone's dialer, where you normally make calls. Now pay attention. I'm going to show you two secret codes, one to solve the battery problem and the other to fix problems with the touch screen. Important, as soon as you enter the code on your device, a new screen will automatically appear. This screen may vary depending on the model of your phone, but don't worry, I'll show you how to do it on any make or model of cell phone. First, tell me the brand of your cell phone so I can help you more quickly. Let's start with the first code to solve the problem of a fast discharging battery. Type in star tic-tac-toe 9900 and tic-tac-toe. A screen with several internal options will appear. Look for the Reset Battery option and tap on it. That's it. This will reset your battery parameters and can restore its normal performance, making it last much longer. Now, if you're having problems with your phone's touch screen, such as when part of the screen doesn't respond or you have to press several times, instead of paying a technician to replace the entire screen at an expensive price, just type in this code. Star tic-tac-toe, star tic-tac-toe, 8 tic-tac-toe, star tic-tac-toe, star. Several internal options will appear. Tap on the option called Touch. Now, just calibrate the screen by touching the edges and crossing the lines that appear. This helps eliminate what they call ghost touch and makes your screen 100% responsive again. See how the whole screen now works properly? If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. This simple process can help many people who can't afford to replace their phone's battery or screen. Those were today's tips. I hope they helped. God bless you.